What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video, guys, it is all about Smooth Love Portion SLP, which has not been performing as well as we all expected it to. But in my last SLP update, which was a couple of days ago or about a week ago, I did tell you guys do expect a dip to take place, which is currently happening at the moment. And in the last 24 hours itself, it did fluctuate, but we'll have a look more into it later on in the video. And it's currently trading at 0.01748. So a lot of people have been asking me, should I sell my SLP, should I invest more into it, should I wait for it to dip, so on and so on. So I'm going to give you guys my take on it, my prediction over the next couple of hours, days, weeks, months. How well can SLP do, how high can it go, how low can it go, and overall, is it a good investment or should you avoid it? But before I get into all of that stuff, if you're new to the channel and you haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I'm trying to hit 50,000 subscribers as soon as possible. And once I do hit that target, there will be a cryptocurrency giveaway which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel, and for a bonus entry, following me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. And again, as I previously mentioned, for this giveaway there's going to be at least 3 lucky winners winning cryptocurrencies, so make sure you stay tuned on my Instagram for more details regarding the giveaway. So as you can see, we've seen a major peak here earlier on yesterday, which is still keeping it at this minus 0.55%. But over the next couple of hours, we're going to see a big red number here, because obviously it was going to dip back down in value. Moving on to the weekly chart, it is still 4% up. As you can see, consistently every single day has been very volatile, up, down, all over the place. But it has somehow started to, gain some sort of value over the last 7 days. Over the month, however, it is down 20%, guys. So as you can see, every single day it dips a little bit, and it all adds up, making it a massive 20% down, which is not looking too great. And we can also see here that the trading volume has gone down by 20% as well in the last 24 hours, making it $265 million. I remember when this number was nearly sitting at $1 billion, and now it's gone all the way down to 265 million, meaning not many people are trading the crypto right now. I mean, don't get me wrong, there are still people trading it, but not as many people as before. And we can see here that the all-time high was 42 cents. But again, guys, this was all the way back last year in May when it hit its all-time high. But yeah, we'll get into that very shortly. So on the screen right now, we do have the Fibonacci scale to do the technical analysis, but I'm not going to do it right now. I will bring this back later on in the video to do some technical analysis. But we're going to start off with the MACD indicator to do the price prediction. But before that, as usual, this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So at the bottom, we've got the MACD indicator, and at the top, we've got the candlestick pattern chart with the SMA indicator, which is the purple line running across the chart, which is currently valuing it at 0.01751, which is exactly what it's trading at the moment. As you can see, it's in red at the back, but we can't really see it. I'm guessing it's 0.01745, which is very close to the SMA indicator, meaning it is performing like it's meant to perform. So it's not too positive or too negative, it is spot on. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart to do the price prediction for the short-term traders, and then move on to the hourly, daily and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. So zooming in here, we can see that the blue line is slightly heading towards the bearish direction, looking a little bit negative. However, the orange line is, well, it's not going in a straight line, that's for sure. It is indeed heading towards a negative direction as well. So over the next couple of hours, do expect slight drops in value on SLP. Again, I'm not saying it's going to be consistently dropping in value. We are going to see green candles, we are going to see red candles, but the overall outcome seems to be more on the negative side rather than the positive side. Just like what's been happening here for the last couple of hours, there's been a mixture of ups and downs, but the overall outcome has been more on the negative side, dropping in value, and that is exactly what's likely to carry on over the next couple of hours. So in this case, I'm talking about towards the end of the day today and early hours of tomorrow. Moving on to the hourly chart. Next couple of days, what can we expect? We are still not looking too great. We are looking bearish. We got the blue line and the orange line looking quite steep as well, going in a negative direction, meaning more drops in value are expected towards the end of next week. However, guys, that does not mean it's going to be consistently hitting red candles every single day for the next 7 to 8 days. Of course not. We are going to see red days. We are also going to see green days, where it's going to have an increase in value on some days, but I'm talking about the overall outcome over the next 7 to 8 days seems to be more on the negative side. So more drops in value are expected, probably going all the way down to about 0.015 or even lower than that towards the end of next week. Moving on to the daily chart. Next couple of weeks, what can we expect? Now we are looking bullish, we are looking positive, guys. So that is one of the reasons why I'm into crypto for the long term, guys. Short term, yes, it's easy to make a lot of money, but it's also easy to lose a lot of money. So, you know, to be on the safe side, I literally just buy the dips and just hold on to it for the long run and take it out, you know, when I feel like, you know, it's done a decent amount, or I've had a decent amount of return. But yeah, as you can see, both the blue line and the orange line are both going in a bullish direction, in this case here on the daily chart. So over the next couple of weeks, so I'm talking about, let's say, late April to mid May, we should expect an overall increase in value, hopefully going way past the 2 cents mark and heading towards the 3.5 cents mark by end of May, or even much higher than that, depending on how SLP performs. But either way, I'm gonna keep you guys updated as much as I can on SLP. You guys have requested me to do at least 2 videos a week, which I'm gonna try and stick to. If you guys have any different you know, preferences on, you know, how often you guys want updates on SLP, comment down below and I'll try and keep you guys updated as much as I can on this crypto. But yeah, these are my predictions and my takes on SLP. What I want you guys to do now is comment down below your expectations and your predictions on this crypto. What is the highest figure this crypto can hit in 2022? Comment down below. I'm very keen to find out how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto, as I've seen a lot of positive as well as negative comments on SLP. Well, you know, some of them I agree with, some of them I disagree with, but it is what it is. But keep commenting, keep playing me know what your expectations are. So let's get rid of the MACD indicator and bring out the Fibonacci scale, the color-coded one. And as you can see, we are at one of its lowest points it's been to, and the highest was 17 cents, and this was about last year around September, October time, or even August time, sorry, when it hit, you know, when it was at its highest point. And ever since then, it's been doing nothing but dropping in value. We've seen a major peak hit in November last year, and obviously, you know, that was when the whole crypto market was performing very well, you know, not just SLP, but the whole crypto market was booming at that time. And yeah, ever since then it's been dropping in value, and hopefully we can see a recover over the coming months, and hopefully towards the end of the year we should see a much higher value, hopefully heading towards the, let's say, the 7 to 8 cents mark towards the end of the year. But again, it's quite far away, so I will keep you guys updated on this crypto as well. But yeah, that is pretty much it, guys, for today's video. Just a quick price update, price prediction on SLP. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, make sure to leave it a like, and if you didn't, leave it a like as well. So either way, go down and smash the like button and subscribe to the channel. Let's try and hit 50k subscribers as soon as possible. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here. Make sure to like, subscribe, share, comment, and all of that stuff. You know what to do, and I'll catch all of you in my next crypto update, which should be later on today. Until then, take care and peace.